there, my name is Lauren Carey, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your Rolls color palette. Now, Rolls is one of my favorite Bubble Up features, and this is actually a roll that I put together for my Instagram link in bio. Now, assuming that you've already created a roll and chosen a theme, let me show you how to change the colors. So up in your left corner, you'll see a little pencil icon. Click that and two options appear. Edit Live means the changes you make now happen in real time. People looking at your roll can see it. And Edit in Draft mode is a draft. Make your changes and hit Publish only when you're ready. I prefer to edit live, so I will click that. And three menu items appear. You have the theme, layouts and images, and sync. Click Theme. When you do that, your current roll theme is going to appear. Mine is called Seabreeze. And above that, you're going to see a number and the word palettes. So Seabreeze has 3 different color palettes. Depending on the theme, you'll have 1 to 6 different options to choose from. So for example, Point has 4 and Showcase has 6. But back to Seabreeze, I'm going to click on palettes to see what my options are. The first one is the default, which is this nice blue color. The second is Dawn, this beautiful orange. And the third is Dusk, a very pretty purple. I prefer Dawn, so I will select that and then hit Apply in the bottom right corner. The last thing you need to do is just click Done Editing in the top right, and you have successfully changed your roll's color palette. Now, if this video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Lauren Carey, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!